What's going on, man? Y'all see I'm back with another video. So for my new subscribers, this is what the channel is about. 83 Z28 Camaro. I'm LS swapping it, just giving like a small brief. I got a whole playlist when I picked it up and when I did this engine bay. Yeah, man, completely gutted, been like that. Of course, gonna be a stick shift. And yeah, man, this is her. You feel me? But for today's video, I'm actually gonna finish this up. So this is the shifter. I had like a wiggly shifter and whatnot, and I found out that this was actually broke. I JB welded. I was gonna actually regular weld it, but yeah, I mean, I got good reviews on the JB weld. So yeah, bro, I'm finna try this. Whoa, 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 spider, spider, spider. God damn, hate spiders, bro. And I'm gonna keep that in the video. And do spiders, God damn. Oh, I ain't gonna no spider, but yeah, man, we finna get straight into the video. Alright, so I'm just getting back from the store and get my thing weld. So the JB weld didn't work, so nah, I wouldn't do the JB weld. So I went to go get this welded, you feel me? So now we in there to get a 15. Y'all know about these, man, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try this one more time. Need a GoPro. That screw right there, I gotta tighten up. Okay, now finally done. Put the put these on. That what you even call that, shifter linkage, I guess. Only play is in this. I might even tighten that up a little bit. But other than that, this don't move, y'all. The moment of truth. Oh yeah, we in there. I'm gonna go on and throw this on too. I had lost my second and third gear, so I only had first. So what the heck? Yeah, I never went that far back. Okay, I finally got it, y'all. So it's in neutral. Don't even wiggle that much. Just this. So 1. Then my 2 is on the left, forward, and 3 is back. So 1 and straight back from 1 is reverse. That's reverse. So that's neutral. That's 1. Boom. 2, 3. You feel me? It's in 3. Up. That's neutral. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Boom. 1. Reverse. Yes, bro. When I tell y'all, ooh, look at that head. That's why I had the thing on with it. Bump it. But so at first it was only doing this. That thing was just doing this, y'all. Boom. I couldn't click it over or nothing. So right now, that's the only thing I have to do is get it to line up while it's in neutral like this, and I could just go straight over. As y'all see, I gotta wiggle it a little bit. See? Had to move it just a little bit to go into second, and that's third. You feel me? So it's a go. I fixed it that quick. So y'all knew I couldn't just go straight over. I had to wiggle it just a little bit to put it in the hole to go over. So 1, boom, over, 2, 3. You feel me? Boom, neutral, over. Now it's just so smooth, y'all. Man, let's go and get this thing cranking on the ground, and we're gonna go from there. while this idle up a little bit and warm up, I'm gonna move it up so I can change my tire. Cause when I did my burnout video, that side that was just spinning by itself, that bit went flat. So I got an extra tire, it's already pumped up. Bring it up, put the tire on, we gonna head out, bro. So the truck is done, y'all. Y'all see it was sitting right here next to the Camaro. So, boom, she ready, man. Like, I'm gonna upgrade the clutch and stuff later on, but the truck is drivable. Like, this is gonna be my work truck. I'm finna wash it up a little bit, even though it's hella rusty. But yeah, man, she done. Damn. I should have screwed it back in. No, I lost that screw. Oh, wait. Okay, I still got screw in that. Yeah, man, she's done. I know I keep saying, yeah, man. Get the thumbnail. Boom. So, I know I keep saying I'm gonna give y'all like a ride along, basically like the test drive, but I drove it, it was straight. Now I'm gonna have to grab my mount that I got in this Camaro, put it on the windshield on that one, and use my phone. Then I don't know how much gas I got in there. I put gas in there like a month ago. And before like I lost all my gears, I was test driving, I was doing burnouts and everything. So I say sometime this week after this video, I'ma have a full ride along video. Like, I'm gonna jump right into the video, man, cause I think this is like the second time I said I'm gonna like test drive it and show y'all how that thing do. But until next time, man, she done. If y'all like the video, like it. Gotta share. If y'all watching and ain't subscribed, y'all gotta subscribe, because this is just the beginning for this truck. You feel me? This is just the beginning. Promise the next video will be a ride along. Nothing else come up, I promise the next video is a ride along video. Yeah, man, I'm out.